Mike Love here at MarineMax Ocean View, and today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new arrival for a Boston Whaler 210 Vantage. Looking at the side of the boat here, you can see that beautiful blue hull color with the chrome boot stripe to match the chrome Boston Whaler graphics. This boat will be powered by a 250 V8 Mercury. Stepping up into the boat, you'll notice two jump seats across the back. These can be easily popped up or keep them folded down and see the non-skid to make a nice casting platform on the back. Rod holders all across the back. You have 4 rod holders on the back of this boat and a spot for your ski pylon to lock in for water sports. On the port side, you have this nice size lounger that is adjustable backrest to find the optimal position while underway. This can also fold all the way down, and they do pad the door of the head to make it a fully laying down aft-facing lounger. Taking a peek into the head on this boat, very robust door, everything finished, really nice quality on the Boston Whalers, and a good size head for a 21-foot boat. I just have the covers in there now. Coming to the helm of this boat, we have flip up and down bolsters for the captain's seat, digital throttle and shift, so super smooth, easy for docking. Your toggle switches, trim tabs, JL audio control system there, and your 12-inch SIMRAD for all of your charts, depth, and any other things you need on that multifunctional display. A few charging features and a good spot to store a phone or keys or anything else on board, and 2 conveniently placed cup holders. Moving forward, you have this wind dam. So on those colder days, you can block the wind there, and then also get access into the compartment underneath the helm. Great storage area, designated 5-gallon bucket storage in here, as well as designated spot for that ski pylon you can see running across the back. And another really cool feature is Boston Whaler puts this little trap door here. It's a chute into that 5-gallon bucket. Really great spot to throw out trash on board. No need to hang that plastic bag somewhere. The bow of the boat, really deep. I like how high the gunnels Boston Whaler does on this boat. So safety for the family, make sure all the kids are good and secure. They do pad it all the way around, so you can use this as an aft-facing seat. Comfortably fit 3 adults or a few more kids here. Really great space for lounging up in the front. So again, this is a all-new 2026 Boston Whaler 310 Vantage. If you'd like to see this boat or any of our other available inventory, love to have you stop by. Thanks, and see you out on the water.